What is up, guys? Jeremy here and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the new iOS 12.1 emojis on your older jailbroken devices. So this will work on iOS 11 as my device is jailbroken on iOS 11, and it's just really cool to have those newer emojis. In case any of your friends have iPhones and they're on to the up-to-date versions of iOS, they have them, and it just kind of sucks when you can't use them. So this is how you're going to get it, and it works, and it's really simple. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is jump into Cydia. Now you will have to add 2 separate sources within Cydia in order to get this to work. I will leave the sources listed down in the description so you guys can easily copy and paste them into your Cydia. Like I said, you will have to add those sources in order to get these packages. Now there's a couple of packages we will have to install. The first one here is EmojiPort Installer, and this is for the iOS 12.1 emojis themselves. So you're going to want to go ahead and install that package. Now I'm not sure because I did do these individually, but they might, require that you install one or the other, or they might automatically install one or the other. So I'm just going through and telling you guys which packages you need in order to get it to work. So the next package is EmojiAttributes, as you guys can see right here. So you're going to want to go ahead and install that package as well. And if we keep scrolling down here, you will also need EmojiLibrary installed. And then there is one more package we will need, and that is EmojiPort iOS 10 through 11.4. And those are the packages that you will need installed on your device in order to get the iOS 12.1 emojis to work. Again, like I said, I'll leave the sources, also these package names listed in the description for those of you that are going to try and do this. Really quite simple. Once you've installed those packages, you will respring your device through Cydia, and then you will have the new emojis from 12.1. So let's go ahead and jump into the notes section here, and then we'll switch over to the emoji. And as you guys can see, here are some of the new emojis that came with 12.1. So definitely very cool. There's a lot of new emojis. Again, like I said, it's nice to have them on these older firmwares when you're jailbroken so that you can use them with your friends that are up to date or friends that are jailbroken and have it as well. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.